Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are exploring an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create cinematic poster text with strong depth. Open Photoshop and click new file. Set canvas size 2000 by 2500, then press OK. Select the type tool from the toolbar. Click once in the center and type your main poster title. From the top bar, choose a bold cinematic font. Press Ctrl plus T and scale the text big. Now go to the layer panel and double click the text layer. First turn on gradient overlay. Click the gradient bar and select dark to light colors. Adjust the angle to match top light directions. Now turn on inner shadow, lower